This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need clear prerequisites and the very first actions to start. Learn core HTML and how URLs and meta tags affect rankings. This matters. Once done, set up Google Search Console and Analytics for a test site so you can track changes. Then perform a simple keyword research exercise using a free tool to identify 5 target terms and search intent. Make sure to document findings in a single spreadsheet. That becomes your baseline and lets you iterate deliberately. Now you move into focused execution. Run a technical site audit and prioritize fixes for crawlability, indexation, and page speed. These are high impact. Next, build content briefs that map target keywords to intent and outline headings, meta tags, and CTAs so writers deliver optimized pages. Then implement on-page SEO, structured data, internal linking, canonical tags, and telemetry for experiments. Make sure to run a /B or small tests and measure rankings and engagement before scaling success. Finish by scaling and proving results so you can operate as an SEO executive. Create KPIs and dashboards tied to revenue or conversions. Align weekly with product, engineering, and content teams so SEO is part of every release. Once done, standardize playbooks for content, link outreach, and technical sprints so you can delegate effectively. If performance stalls, run a focused regression audit. Check tracking, indexation, and recent deploys. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sudden drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.